second day of the Suzuki Vitara FATBOY build. What are we doing today then, Zane?
Right, we're going to clean it, see what's wrong with it, what we can repair, and go from there. I'm not a retailer.
Better. What are we using in Zane? Using some auto glim.
Yeah,
glim.
remove it.
Auto glim. Glim. What are we doing?
Try to get this off, but we've got no machine, so we do it by hand.
Sometimes hands better. Don't ruin the paintwork. I think that's a bit too far gone, to be fair. So it's pretty far gone, that one, isn't it?
Yeah. It looks like someone's used Tip-X on the front. Do you say it's Tip-X?
It feels like it. What about trying to get this off? And the bump. I've heard of using bumpers, but I didn't know they were using them as parking objects. At least you can get some of it off, that'd be better.
And that's gone through to bumper.
Yeah, I know. Got some of it off though. Got the dirt out of it.
Yeah.
Put your money in the cloth. That's how much shit was on it. Show them how much stuff was on it. That's dirty. It's a dirty car. That bit'll come off because it's on the paint.
That's easy.
Oh, look at that. How much better does that look without them black marks on it? Apart from your two-tone paintwork here.
Yeah, someone's repaired it badly.
But how much better does that look? That looks brand new, that does. A bit down here, isn't there? So we're halfway through cleaning the Suzuki Vitara FATBOY, and we're just going to show you a little update what they actually looks like now. So you've got like dirty run lines where it's not been cleaned properly for years, detailed or anything like that. But Zane's done this side and he's polished his nuts off around here, and it's come out completely like brand new. The paint will feel soft to touch. Obviously you couldn't really do much with this because obviously there's scratches and everything down here, but we're going to get that done, redone. But yeah, it's completely soft to touch, no run lines. We get some new badges here as well, so brighten it up. And he's still trying to finish it off to make it as clean as possible. But even the trims are all like dirty, as you can see. So we have to clean all those. But yeah, it looks half decent now. Alright, isn't it? So, me and Zane have finished cleaning the Suzuki FATBOY. We know it needs a bit of touch up, a bit of
TLC.
Yeah, some paint correction and probably some little bits of fixing, like the beadings come off of here. So we need to pull off the arches. And while we're pulling the arches off, clean under the arches, make sure they're not rusted. What else?
Yeah.
The hood's not looking too bad now. Over this side's worse, but we've got
it's raining again.
Yeah, raining again.
Yeah.
Zane says he's going to get this done professionally because there's a bit of rust coming through. It's two colours, don't know if you see it.
Yeah.
It's come up pretty well, to be fair, for an old car.
28 years old.
29-ish.
Yeah, okay.
28, 29.
No.
And yeah, it don't look too bad, does it? So
No.
for an old girl,
Yeah.
it's actually looking whiter, not black and white.
Yeah.
So a couple of hours work in the rain,
Yeah.
and it looks pretty good actually from a distance, as you can see. So yeah, and hopefully we'll have more work done to it soon.
Yeah. Till next time. See you later.